So now our dough rise. So what we do next is we're going to make a hole in every dough that we mold before. So what we have to do is just pinch a little bit and then spin it around. Don't worry if your dough is wrinkly, because when we bake it later, it will look more fine. So that's it. So we just have to repeat the process on all of your dough. Like that.